Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to implement Google login in Flutter and Firebase. Okay, I have created this new Flutter project and I have opened it on VS Code. Now let's open up the lib folder, and inside the lib folder let's create new file. I'm gonna say homepage.dart file, and let's create here stateful widget and let's send the class name to homepage. Let's return here scaffold. Okay, give the body to the scaffold center widget. Give the side. Now here in the center let's show the image Google logo. Okay, let's show the network image. So one of the browser and search for Google logo PNG, and I'm gonna choose this image. Let's open this image in the new tab and copy the link of this image. Okay, and paste it here. It's in the image PNG format. Okay, let's save it. Now open up the main.dart file and let's delete this stateless widget and let's create new stateless widget and let's change the class name to my app. Let's return here material app. Okay, give the home that home page we have just created, and here is the Google logo in the middle. Now let's give here height to this image 100, and also let's give the width 100 to this image, and here we go. Now let's open up the browser and go to the firebase.google.com and go to the click on this, go to the console button. Okay, now let's create a new Firebase project. Click on that and here enter the project name. I'm gonna say Google login. Can continue. Okay, I'm going to disable this Google Analytics and Journey, and it will take some time to create new Firebase project. Okay, now click on continue. Okay, perfect. Now we have to add that Flutter app to the Firebase. Okay, to add the Firebase to our Flutter app, I made the separate video on it. You can check it out, or you can go to this link for the official documentation. This link is in the description too of this video. And okay, now I'm going to run this command FlutterFire config in the terminal of the project directory. It will fetch all the available Firebase projects. Okay, we have created this Firebase project, Google login. I'm going to choose that one. I'm going to select Android only for this video. Okay, now this new file has been created and it's missing this Firebase core. Now let's add that one. Run this command flutter pop add Firebase core. Okay, perfect. Now if you reload this console, okay, as you can see, new app has been added to our Firebase project. Now let's open this build and authentication and click on get started and select this Google, enable it and choose the email. I'm going to choose this one. Click on save now. Okay, perfect. Okay, now go to this link and copy this code, and let's open up the main.dart file, and inside this main function paste it, make it async. Okay, import this option Firebase option file and Firebase core package. Okay, now let's add Firebase auth and Google sign in package. Run this command to the terminal, flutter pub add Firebase auth. And flutter pub add Google sign in. If you open up this pubspec.yml file, as you can see, we have added this Firebase auth and Google sign in packages. Okay, now let's stop the app and let's run the app. Okay, we get this error. Okay, we have to set the minimum SDK to at least 23. Okay, go to this file build.gradle, which is inside the app Android, Google login, Android and app. Okay, Android app and this file. Okay, now let's send this to 23 and save it and run the app. Okay, our app has ran successfully. Now let's open up the lib folder, and inside the lib folder, now let's create new file. I'm gonna say auth service dot file, and here let's create the class auth service, and let's get the instance of Firebase auth first. Let's say find Firebase auth, Firebase auth, import this file with the instance and also Google sign in. We can import this file and initialize that like that. Let's create the function. Sign in with Google. Okay. in the try catch block. Okay, initialize the Google sign in. Let's attempt the Google sign in. Initialize the Google sign in. Authenticate the Google sign in. Okay, here write the condition if Google account goes to no, then we return no. Let's authenticate Google account and get the credentials. Provide your ID token from this. Provide the ID token after we logged in with the Google account. Okay, and we'll return and sign in with the credential and give your credential. Return the credential. Okay, perfect. Now, let's print the error. Right here, Google sign in failed. Let's show the error in a string. Okay, perfect. Now, here let's return now. Okay, now let's open up the homepage.dart file and let's wrap this image with the widget called GestureDetector. Okay, over here, let's get the auth service. Give the on tap button here. Okay, from here, you get this function sign it with to Google. Okay, as you get this function sign in with Google from here, and now let's click on it and we'll get this error. Google sign in failed. We have to provide the server client ID. Okay, so let's open up the console dot I mean Google Cloud Console. Go to this link console.cloud.google.com and choose the project. Click on here and we have created this. Okay, let's reload this. Okay, select this all tab, and we have created this Google login project in the Firebase console. Select it. Okay, perfect. And click on this menu tab and this API and services. Click on this credentials. Okay, now click on this create credential and this one. Click on that. Okay, give the application type. You choose this one, web application, and click on create. And copy this now. Click on OK. And open the auth service.dart file and here let's give the server client ID here and save it. And now let's run the app again. Okay, you can click on this create credential, click on this auth client and give the application type. Let's choose web application and just click on create this one. And this is how you can get the client ID from here. Okay, now let's click on this and you will get this pop-up. Okay, now you are signed in. Okay, now let's make the function for sign out also. So open up the auth service.dart file and here in the tag class block, we will sign out. Sign out from Google account also. Let's bring the door. Okay, let's create the getter to get the current user. Current final user. From this we get the current user and we return the return the okay, we also have to add the SHA-1 and SHA-2. Okay, run this command in the terminal. Okay, first go to the Android folder or directory. So run this command cd android and run this command to value sign in report. Okay, to get this 1 and 5. Here we go. We have to add this. Okay, copy that and open up the Firebase console. Okay, and click on this icon, project setting, and roll down. And over here, click on this add fingerprint and paste that SAR1 and save it. And similarly, copy this 256 and add it also, save it. Okay, now click on this authentication. Now let's reload the app again and click on this. We are signed in. Okay, click on this. Choose the account. And now you will get this pop-up also. Now click on this agree and here. Okay. Now open the console and reload this page. As you can see in the Firebase console, you can see this. Okay, new user has been added. Okay, perfect. Now let's show the email also and log out. So let's create the fonts. Let's create the app bar here, app bar, and give the action. Let's give the icon button. Give the icons dot logout, and here from this auth dot we get this method, sign out method. Okay, now let's make it async and out because it's a future build, and update the UI. Similarly, make it async and make it await, and update the UI. Okay, okay, get the user also. So let's get the current user. We define the user like this, and let's write here the condition if user equals to null, then we show this login icon. Otherwise, we show the text that user There you go. Now click on this logout and get this logo and actually log in. We get this user email.